everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to lock the focus of your camera on Redmi Note 14 easily. Alright guys, so yeah, if you are someone who likes photography, of course you want the result of the photo you take to be HD and sharp and good. Therefore, we need to lock the camera focus so that the result of the photo we take are good. And how to lock the camera focus is quite easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, first thing first, now you can go to camera on your phone like this. And then now you can press and hold on the object that you want to photo until the words AA and AF appear. And then so yeah, you can shot. And now let's see the result. So yeah, as you can see, the result photo is very good and sharp and also HD guys. Alright, so here's the tutorial and see you guys on next video. Bye bye.